How to equip and use special weapons in Gunship Battle. First of all, open the game and go to your workshop menu. Select a helicopter you want to equip and tap on the weapon or upgrade section. Next, check out the special weapons available like rockets, missiles or machine guns. Pick the weapon that works best for your playstyle and the mission, then tap to equip it on your helicopter. Once equipped, go into a mission and practice using the special weapon. Special weapons usually have limited ammo or cooldowns, so use them wisely. Attacking at the right time can help you destroy enemies faster and complete objectives more easily. It's also smart to combine special weapons with normal attacks. For example, weaken enemies with your standard guns, then finish them off with rockets or missiles. Watch enemy movements and use your special weapons when it's most effective. Finally, upgrade your special weapons when possible. Upgrades make them stronger, faster, and more efficient. Using special weapons correctly can make your missions easier and help you survive longer in Gunship Battle. Now you know how to equip and use special weapons in Gunship Battle. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more gaming tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.